Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 4.5, The Old Man and the Sea book review. Yesterday we have seen means that views of Hemingway's, okay, and his means social and historical, how it is a social and historical context. Means The Old Man and the Sea is a social, means tells us about the social, okay, events and as well as the historical context, because that tells us, because it's the time of historical context, means First World War and Second World War, okay. Now third part of the this review is writing style, means how is the writing style of Hemingway's language is simple and pithy. Pithy means brief, full of vigor. Okay, brief or full of vigor. Vigor means strength or force. Means full of strength. Means his language is full, simple and full of strength or full of forcefully written. He mostly writes in short and straightforward sentences. Means in his language he use the short and straightforward sentences and practices an extreme economy in his use of words. Means he use extreme economy. Okay, means he use the frugal word. He use a frugal word. Okay, means less words in his writing skill. Okay, means less words but more effective. Means his writing is more effective with the help of less word. Means he was practices an extreme economy. This simplicity is deceptive and a reader can read his work again and again. And this simplicity of the Hemingway is deceptive. Deceptive means attempt to deceive to the writer. Means create a false impression. His simplicity his simplicity of writing create a false impression. And because of that, reader can read his work again and again. Okay, and find new layers of the meaning every time, and readers can try to find the new layers of every time. Means he try to find each layer of the line. Means every time, because he read again and again, every time he find the new layers of the meaning of the line. Now next part of the book review is my thoughts. I first read the novel year ago, when I did not understand it at all, and I was left unimpressed. Means writer of this book review writer said that I first read this novel year ago, when but that time writer means review writer did not understand it, and he was left unimpressed. He was not impressed while reading. In spite of this, a vivid image remained with me. And in spite of that vivid means clear or powerful image remained with him, an old man holding on to his fish line with the last his strength. But that image of that old man hold to the writer, okay, of this fishing line at his last strength. Means that old man hold to the writer to read this novel again. Okay. Recently, I read this book again and was extremely moved. And again, writer, means book review writer, read this novel and he was extremely moved. Okay. Why he was extremely moved? Because the formidable strength of the old man's character, the quiet devotion of the empathic Manolin, and the relationship between the two are heartwarming. Because after when he was read the second time this novel, that time he understand that the formidable strength, formidable means causing fear, okay, fear strength of the old man character, and the quiet devotion of the empathic Manolin, means he was a loyal, Manolin was a loyal, Manolin's character is loyal, okay, devoted character, and the relationship between the two, means old man's and the Manolins, it was really a heart warming, okay, means their relationship really a heartwarming. And this relationship writer review writer understand after when he was read this novel second time. Hemingway's description of the sea and the creatures of the water are beautiful. Means whatever written by Hemingway means in his description of the sea, it is very beautiful, and the creature of the water, it is also very beautiful. Means it is describe these creatures and describe the sea is in a beautiful way. The marlin fights for its life inseparably, and it's hard to know whether our sympathies should lie with the old man or with the marlin. Means the marlin fights for its life inseparably. Marlin, the fish, that big fish, he was fight for its life hopelessly. Okay, separately means hopelessly, and it's hard to know whether our sympathies should lie. And it is hard to know means where our sympathies with old man or with marlin, it should be lie. Okay, with the old man, with the, it is maybe with the old man, sometime it is with old man, sometime it is with marlin. Means our sympathy with old man, sympathy with marlin also, and because of that it is lie. But as the novel progresses, the old man and the marlin are inseparably linked. But when novel progresses, when novel we are reading, we are going to read the next part of the novel, that time the old man and marlin are inseparably, means we are thinking about this both, okay, separately, because both stand for the same idols. Okay, because both same, because old man he was fighting with, means he was struggling, and the marlin he was also struggling with his life. Old man also struggling with his, because he did not catch any fish for 84 days, and it was his struggle, and marlin was struggling with his life. Means both are the same ideals. That is a noble struggle against the destruction. And this means it, the old man also at the end of the story he was dead, and the marlin also he was dead, because old man succeed to catch the marlin, and that time marlin means he was dead. Means both there are the, at the end of the story there is the means struggle of the old man as well as the marlin, and that's why these are the noble struggle of the destruction. Okay, and like this way it's the book review of the book review of the old man and the sea. Okay, everyone read this properly, because it's very important for the read the means passage writing. Okay, short but simple lesson, you have to read, find the words. If there is difficulty you can ask me, and see, you have to solve the questions in workbook. Okay, solve all the questions in workbook. After I will tell which question you want to write in notebook. Okay, thank you. Like this way our syllabus, means our English syllabus, we got next lesson 4.6, the gift of Magi. This lesson is reduced from our syllabus. Okay, like this way our syllabus of textbook is finished now. Tomorrow we will start our grammar part. Okay, thank you.